Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to convert CSV file to Excel. So let's get started the video. Open Microsoft Excel. Click on blank document. From the menu, select data. Then click on prompt text CSV. Locate and find the CSV file you want to convert to Excel. Click on it. Then click on import. A pop-up box will appear asking you to specify file origin, delimiter, and data type detection. You can change the delimiters here. After that, click load. Now click on file and click on save. It will save your CSV file to a Excel file. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.